So if you're facing this Nioh 3 error, that is failed to play movie codec error, the solution is quite simple. You need to basically install a small piece of a software from Microsoft. So the easier way to do is on the CMD on the command line. You can copy this from the description. So I would simply copy it, and you can go to the search and type in for command prompt. So here it is. Make sure you run it as administrator, right click, run as administrator, and open it up. And once you're here, just go and paste the command that you just copied, hit enter. Now it says ask for permission. So just go and enter by and again hit enter. And in my case, it is already installed. So it is not installing it again. But in your case, it might be missing. And if you find any error on the command prompt, you can always go and copy this Microsoft link for the same software and go hit enter. So this is the VP9 video extension. You can simply install it from here. I hope this video has helped you out to fix the Nioh 3 fail to play movie codec error on your PC. But before you go, please like the video.